Welcome to the MemberSuite video series. MemberSuite is the just right answer to the needs of member-based organizations looking for a balance of cost and functionality. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use MemberSuite to track and fulfill items in your inventory. When you create a product, you have the option of indicating that MemberSuite should track inventory for that product. MemberSuite can track products in multiple warehouses in your organization. By warehouse, I just mean a place where your inventory resides. It could very well be the back closet in your office. The first thing you will need to do is populate your virtual warehouse with inventory. You can do this by selecting Receive Inventory on the main order screen. We'll use a product we've already created called Convention T-shirt. Let's just say that we receive 10 T-shirts into inventory. And we'll click Save to save this receipt. Now, if you have multiple warehouses, you can actually transfer inventory between warehouses using the Transfer Inventory command on the main screen. You can release inventory, making it unavailable for purchase temporarily, useful for borrowing products for trade shows and demonstrations. And you can make an inventory adjustment to account for losses or miscounts. Let's see how the inventory works. In order to pull an item from inventory, it needs to be ordered. We're going to go ahead and create an order for the Convention T-shirt and use an existing customer we already know about. Let's enter the product information in, and let's override the cost of this T-shirt to make it $0 and change the quantity of 4 so that no invoice is created. Now let's process the order. On the 360 screen, we'll see that the order is pending. Let's look at the product inventory. As we'd expect, there are 10 T-shirts on hand, as we already received 10 T-shirts into inventory. But 4 have been committed, since we just made the order, and therefore, only 6 are actually available to be ordered. This all makes sense. Now, let's see how backordering works. A product will only be backordered if you allow it, and that checkbox to allow it is on the product creation screen. Luckily, our Convention T-shirt product is already configured for backordering. So let's go ahead and create another order for 8 T-shirts, which is more than we have in inventory, and see what happens. Now, on the order screen, you'll see that order is backordered, which makes sense, since there are only 6 T-shirts in stock. If we go to the Convention T-shirt product inventory, we'll see, as expected, all 10 T-shirts in stock are committed, and 2 are backordered. But notice, it still says there are 10 T-shirts on hand. So how do we go about shipping these T-shirts? Well, the act of shipping items that have been ordered is called fulfillment. To fulfill orders, select Fulfill and Ship Orders from the order screen. We can see all of the orders that need to be fulfilled here in this list. Let's go ahead and fulfill both orders. Once we do that, a fulfillment batch is created. A fulfillment batch is simply a group of items that get fulfilled at one time. By using a batch, it's easier to track groups of items that you have shipped at one time. When viewing the batch, you can print out a pick list that can be used to grab the items from your inventory by clicking Print Pick List. You can also print out packing list for all of the items in your batch by clicking Print Packing List. Since we've got 10 T-shirts, we'll fulfill 4 T-shirts for our first customer and 6 for our second. Click Process to fulfill the items. Now we have 2 T-shirts backordered. So let's receive 10 more T-shirts into inventory. We'll click Receive Inventory again and enter in the information for 10 T-shirts. Now, if we look at the inventory for T-shirts, we see that the back order has been erased, but 2 T-shirts are already committed because they've already been ordered. Of course, out of the 10 T-shirts now that are on hand, 8 are available. We can go and fulfill and ship the T-shirts again to fulfill the backorder T-shirt in a separate batch. This concludes this tutorial. In this training video, we learned about warehouses and how MemberSuite tracks inventory. We've seen how to receive inventory and how orders interact with the inventory. We've also learned about backordering and how MemberSuite deals with items that are out of stock. For more information, see the MemberSuite online help or visit our online community at community.membersuite.com.